Hello, hello. Good morning from Cebu City, and today I fly into the paradise of Boracay. I'm so excited. I've been planning this visit for a few months now, and it's finally happening. I just hope everything goes on fine. I hope this time I don't have an Airbnb disaster like twice before, and it doesn't waste my time. I'm gonna be staying there for a few days and just resting because this is I wouldn't call it final destination, but final new city, final first time city. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing a few of Boracay videos. So I don't know if you know this, but when you go to Boracay, you don't just get out of the airport and boom, walk into the paradise. Apparently, you get out of the airport, you have to get transport to the ferry station, then you have to go on the ferry, go to the other side, and then you need another transport to your hotel. So I'm one of those people who get really confused when I get out of the airport and people keep screaming at me, and I always end up paying extra. So I'm gonna book that online. I've heard like there are people on Klook, on different websites, Viator, I don't know these ones, they actually offer the whole package. So I think I'm gonna book that from the airport. Let me get out of here first. Okay guys, I thought now that we're here, let me show you a bit of Cebu airport. I stopped doing airport videos because there were too many of them. But yeah, let's check out the airport, it's pretty good. So we're going to gate number 8. They have so many restaurants and shops here. Welcome to Boracay. So, got my luggage. We're gonna get out and I'm gonna look for the Southwest tours, which I already can see because that's what I booked with for the rest of the transport. And yeah, let's go look for them. To be honest, I was expecting it to be much busier. Like a lot of people, or maybe I'm speaking too soon. I think I'll wait because I think soon we'll get there.
Oh, sticker.
All right, time to get to the ferry. You know what happened? I haven't even entered and the Airbnb drama starts. What is going on with me? I think I got cursed. Left till the end. So it took 15 minutes from the airport to the ferry station by bus, and then it took around 10 minutes ferry ride. And then this one depends on your hotel. My hotel is slightly outside the city. It's not in any of the stations, station 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be a bit longer. However, I sent my Airbnb host a message asking about the address, and he told me he does not have my booking. I was like, I booked yesterday. And I even sent him an introduction message like, hi, looking forward, and these things, you know, and he didn't know. And then he said, I have a guest in that Airbnb that you have booked, but I have another one on the same level, so if you want, for 2 days you can stay there, and then we'll move you here. Ugh. So I accepted because I don't want to do what I've done before. It's like take a hasty decision and book a 5-star and then mess up my budget. So let's go. Why is this happening? So fingers crossed, it's gonna be a nice place, hopefully. Who knows, maybe even better. But actually all Airbnbs in that building are really beautiful. So I don't think it's gonna be a disappointment, hopefully. This is my final Airbnb in the Philippines. I have one more place to stay, and hopefully that one is it's not gonna be an Airbnb. I'll be staying in a very nice hotel. I'm really looking forward to that one. So yeah. Oh wow. I have arrived. I was this close to just cancelling and going somewhere else to a hotel, but I really need to wash clothes because I have nothing to wear. So that's why I cannot go to a hotel. Otherwise, then again, I'll have to get out and look for a laundry. So I really control myself. They knew I was coming. He still made me wait downstairs for another 20 minutes. I'm like fuming right now. I'm a dragon. I'm so glad I don't have to do any more Airbnbs. And then I asked her, it's like, do you know that I have to change room? She has absolutely no clue. And the guy I talked to told me this is going to be on the 6th floor and this is on the 5th floor. God. So, but it's a nice place. Look, it's a very nice place. It's very pretty. It's very big as well. So I get a whole kitchen. There's a fridge. There's a reason I chose this place and stayed. Nice, there's toaster, there's everything. Okay. Oh, these are locked. It's fine. Oh, there's tea, coffee stuff. Dining table. Place to sit. TV. Bedroom. Oh. It's a honeymoon suite. Yeah, it's a pretty nice place. It looks very new. I think it is new. Let's do a bed test. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. No doubt, the place is nice. That's the toilet. Has everything I need. All good. Again, why? Why is the toilet paper always on the other side here? View from the window. Oh, very beautiful. And the balcony, place to sit. Oh, I have to do this, what they're doing. Okay. Oh, very beautiful. You can see the beach. So apparently if I walk this side, there's a private beach. Okay, the place is pretty good, no doubt. It would be nice because I'm staying for a few days. So I think it would be nice staying here. And I only share my negative experiences with you because I want you to see my journey. You know, because my channel is not a tourism board channel. It's a travel content creator channel. So, and when you travel, you get good experience, you get bad experience. That's why I share everything. It's not just for the purpose of whinging or complaining. So, yeah, it's good, but this is a bit far away. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you how much I paid. So this place costed $50 per night, and I'm staying here 4 days. However, I only paid $80 for the whole stay because I had a voucher that I had to use. This is the 4th time I've used this voucher. I just hope this time the voucher is gone. This voucher is cursed. The first time I used this voucher in Bali, and for cleanliness reasons, I had to check out and check into a hotel and get a refund. Second time, I used the same voucher in Bohol. For safety reasons, I had to check out to a hotel and get a refund. Third time, I used the same voucher in an Airbnb in Cebu City. For cleanliness reasons, I had to check into a hotel and get a refund. And the 4th time, I've used it here. which almost I almost had to cancel and get a refund, but I didn't. I stopped myself. So hopefully this time this voucher gets used and I don't want to see it anymore.